Hey y'all, it's Whitney. I'm outside. It is Wednesday, I think. Wednesday morning, yes. Just got home from work and I just wanted to show you what is going on the farm. There's just been so much life. We have had a new sheep, Martin, an unexpected surprise. So many things are blooming. We added a pig, a cooney pig to our farm. We rescued 2 ducks, adopted 2 ducks. We rescued a puppy. Just so much going on. I feel like I'm forgetting something. The silky chick is laying eggs. That's exciting. Our peach tree that I was really thinking was a goner because I thought it got struck by lightning is doing so good. It is blooming, it is thriving, and maybe, just maybe, we'll get some peaches off of it this year. Last year, there was none that I know of. We got here in April 3rd. There was no peaches from April 3rd on. So, maybe this year we'll get some. Our blackberry bushes, or blackberry, I guess bushes is what you would call them. They are coming back, the ones that I planted last year. I am so excited and surprised. I did not know because, I don't know, not confident in myself. But guess what? I did it and it worked. It's so beautiful and I cannot wait to plant more blackberries in my blackberry trellis. They are just looking so good. We do need to add some soil to the trellis. It's kind of been washed away, I think. So we're working on that this weekend. But ultimately, everything's doing so good out here. We're gonna be planting more. I think I'm gonna plant 2, 3. So I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Do y'all remember those blueberries I planted last year? Well, they are coming back too. I just feel like a winner. They are looking so beautiful. Some new life here. This is like all new stem. The green stem is all new. It's so exciting. I cannot wait for fresh blueberries. These are young blueberry bushes, so I know, you know, we're not gonna get a lot of blueberries this year, if any, because we probably will just pluck the blooms, but it's still very exciting. There's the other one that we planted. It's just fascinating that we can plant something, winter goes on, and it comes right back to give us even more fruit the next year. I just love it. I love God's creation. There's the apple tree. Was here when we bought the place. It produced apples last year, tons of them, and we weren't able to harvest them because the birds ate them all, actually. So we plan on trying to get some of those. Well, that's all I wanted to tell you about. Basically, I just wanted y'all to know that we are alive here on the homestead. Things are blooming, things are growing. Keep on watching. See y'all in the next video.